Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. In this video I will show how you can withdraw your first payment from Fiverr. So as you know, Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where you can hire freelancer and you can run your agency, you can sell your service. That's mean digital services, digital marketing, arts, AI and programming or web development, different services. So this is my account and I'm level 2 seller right now, and this is my account balance right now. So click on the balance and it's directly goes to the earning section. So earning to the date, here you can see I have already earned 9,794, and it will be added also $80. Okay, so first time as a freelancer or as a student, maybe you want some money to online. So what services I provide? Basically I provide different AI video services and digital marketing like Facebook ads. Okay, so first thing first, you must have a knowledge digital services like either programming or web development or design, okay, and AI or whatever it is, okay, video editing. So you must learn a skill and then you can sell your skill. That's the easiest thing right now on the online. So as a student, wherever you are, if you have a internet connection, and definitely you can do this very easily. This is the all the data results that you're going to see. $40, 16, 100, 6, 8, 100, 120 and 20, 48, 116. Sometimes I run Fiverr ads, so that's why you can see tennis spot $386, earned 24, 20, 80 and many more. Okay, so this is the data of Fiverr earnings results. Okay, so once you learn a skill, digital skill right now, and then you can sell the skills on different marketplace like Fiverr, Upwork. Okay, so this is the basic things. So if you want to learn Fiverr, so definitely comment below. Maybe I will share a free video playlist to you and then you can start. Okay, so let's jump into withdraw the available funds or balance. So click on withdraw, or also you can manage your payout methods. So click on manage payout methods. So right now I have the Payoneer account connected. Also you can add another new payment method, okay, PayPal, Payoneer or direct bank account. So click on withdraw balance. So this is the withdraw balance right now. Okay, so your payment processor may apply extra fees. Transfer may up to 3 business days. So it will take up to 3 business days, but definitely within few hours you will get your payment, and also it will cut some extra fees over there. Okay, so click on confirm and withdraw. So I'm just clicking on it. Here you can see we are processing your request. Alright, so your funds should arrive within 3 business days. Definitely not. So don't worry, it will not take 3 business days. Okay, within few hours you will get the balance. Okay, so click on got it. So right now balance is 00, and once you start earning again, and when you finish the order, and then you can see the balance over here. So alright guys, here you can see within a minute, just few minutes ago, payment from Fiverr. So within a second you can get your payment into your Payoneer account for extra charge. So that's mean $77. It's completed right now, so that's means 77. So this is really fast, and thanks Payoneer. I have been using Payoneer like 7 or 8 years right now. Okay, so you can easily get your client, so you can easily get payment through your Payoneer account from Fiverr or other marketplaces as well as. So this is how freelancers they are making money. This is how student they are making money. So as a student, housewife or businessman, so you can take it part time, just learn a skill and then sell it. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel Raihan Rifat. So if you find this video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any queries, please comment below and make sure you share this video. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video.